no, no, no. Oh, no, no, no.
Hey loves, I'm back with a new video. This will be my full tutorial from start to finish on how I install this body wave lace front wig from Modern Show Hair. So if you guys are interested to see exactly how I prep this wig, install it, as well as my final review, then definitely keep watching this video.
One time now for the gal, I'm up in the place. Yeah, the sis come through, get a squad, some space. Get down, girl, ain't nobody tell you nothing. Yeah. And if they try to tell you something, tell them find some stairs or run up. Cause I ain't tryna be nobody, body. I ain't tryna tell you how to live your life. No. You do what you have to, I know that it's hard. On the low, bounce around, 2 different jobs. But you have to do what you have to know. A closed mouth don't get fed over here. But you have to do what you have to know. Yeah. No, closed mouths don't get fed. I hold that stays in your head. Think about it lying down and you better not. Baby girl, I know you do, and I know you have to. It's so unfair, when they judge you. Oh, no. Just tell them that no one can judge you. No one should judge. No one should. Girl, I gotta tell you, you the best from time. I just had to get that off my chest. Hope you don't mind. No. I mean, who am I to judge you? Take your time, girl. I mean, who am I to rush you? Baby, fall in love with you. Oh. Ooh. Baby girl, I know you do, and I know you have to. It's so unfair, when they judge you. Oh, no. Just tell them that no one can judge you. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh.
Okay, so while you guys are watching me install the wig unit, I did want to tell you guys my experience with this particular wig from Modern Show Hair. So first things first is as far as like the texture and feel of the hair, this is a Brazilian texture. I did notice that it has like more of like a silky feel to the hair. The hair is really soft. So the length of this unit is 22 inches. It is 150% density, so it is not as full. The hairline does come, like I said, pre-plucked. It does come with a few baby hairs in the front. I didn't have any issues plucking the hairline. When I did go in, I was easily able to pluck the knots out. The knots were not as dark, which is really good. So I was definitely able to go in with my wig knot healer as well as my powder foundation and cover up the knots in this unit. So as far as if the wig unit did shed, mat, or tangle, I did experience a little bit of shedding, but no matting or tangling so far with this unit. I am easily able to run my fingers through this hair without any issues. So as you guys saw, I did apply heat to this the hair. I didn't have any issues with applying heat. I did set my curling wand on 410 degrees. I do notice that if you want a more tighter curl, you probably would have to go in with some duck clips and probably some hairspray to make sure that the curls do hold, because as you guys can see, I have more of a looser curl when I did go in with my curling wand versus a more fuller curl.
Tell my boys I love you. Girl, you make it so easy. Make it so easy to love you, baby. And I just wanna make it last forever. So make it last all day, yeah. Cause girl, it make me laugh all day, yeah. Girl, I just want us to keep going on. I just want us to keep going forever all day, like, yeah, yeah. Whoa, yeah, 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 whoa, yeah, 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 oh, baby, I need you. Girl, you're my angel. I know you probably had enough of me, yeah, I know. But I just can't get enough of you. Cause you're so perfect, girl. I'm your student, I'm still learning, girl. You already won the race, and they still running, girl. I want this for the rest of our lives. So make it last all day, yeah. Cause girl, it made me laugh all day, yeah. Girl, I just want us to keep going on. I just want us to keep going forever all day, like, yeah, yeah, forever all day, like, yeah, forever all day, like, yeah, forever all day, like, oh. Love is the music that keeps us dancing. Love is the music that keeps us dancing. Love is the music that keeps us dancing. Keeps us dancing.
The final look of my lace front wig. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I tried to be as detailed as possible. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below in the description section. If you are interested in this wig unit, I will leave all the deets down below as well. I just want to say thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.
I'm singing like, ooh.